Today I bought a bird paradise plant from eBay and can see how it's fully grown while I'm taking it out. Now I'm gonna pot it.
It's the 22nd of January, my 14th birthday, and the Bird of Paradise plant
Has lots of growth.
there.
It's your birthday today. Are you sure? Are you sure it's your birthday? Is it your birthday?
No, yeah, it's 15 today.
15? What happened to 14?
Oh, 14 now.
Are you sure it's her birthday today?
Yeah, big.
Oh, I know what gives it away.
Oh.
The cake gives it away. Happy 14th birthday, Anika. Anika, is it Anika? Is it Anika or Anika? Which is it? Anika. Happy birthday, Anika. What do you want for your birthday? iPhone 11. Ooh, it's gonna be. I'll have to go out and quickly buy one. So I gotta get an Anika iPhone 11
Let me see. Right now, go down.
right now. So this is the Bird of Paradise plant. Where's the new growth? Show me. This plant is older than you, Eliza.
No, it is only one.
Is it older than her? Yeah, I think we got it. When did you start? 2012.
This plant is more important than you.
Oh, that is so cruel. Everybody on YouTube's gonna say stuff. Now you made her cry.
I'm joking.
Yeah, this plant was before you were born.
Haha, thank you.
Yes, Liz is always happy. So, your Bird of Paradise plant is still alive and doing well with lots of new growth. That could turn into a flower. This big thing, yeah. That could turn into a flower. That might be a flower. So you're gonna get a birthday flower. It would be good if it opened for your birthday. Hey, Annie?
It might be Sammy's birthday.
Yeah, it might. Sammy's birthday's in 9 days' time.
So check out the birthdays and get Anika a birthday present.
Yes, check out our Anika's Amazon birthday list and get her a 14th birthday
But it
present.
might not arrive today.
Doesn't matter, it can arrive in a few days.
Might arrive. We have that.
So this-
Subscribe for new videos.
To see how the Bird of Paradise plant grows in 2022.
It's the 6th of July and the Bird of Paradise might be growing the biggest ever flower and it's incredible because it's only 2 years old. Go eat that. is finally open today after 3.5 years. The secret to blooming a bird of paradise flower is to keep it pot bound.